Hundreds of low-income Prince George's County seniors will be getting some desperately needed repairs to their homes.
And it is all thanks to many in the community who dedicate their time to help. 7 News' Caroline Patricius introduces us to our latest Helping Hands recipient.
Thousands of volunteers are gearing up for Christmas.
The generosity of people are overwhelming.
But they won't have to wait till December to give back.
We're gearing up for the last Saturday in April to begin the work at the homes, exterior only.
The program is called Christmas in April, where they come together and repair the homes of Prince George's County seniors in need.
It's important to me. I've been doing it for a long time, and each year it gets better and better.
It's a labor of love for Mel Jenkins, who pours countless hours of volunteering to make sure everything goes smoothly.
It's always very organized. It seems to work out. And I think goodness always finds its way. And that's what this program has been about, and that's why I'm here.
That's why Joel Bassam with Eastern's Automotive wanted to surprise Mel Jenkins and Christmas in April with a helping hand.
Hi, this is Joel Bassam from Eastern's Automotive Group. Christmas in April is an absolutely amazingly fun organization. We love the fact that you guys operate right in the heart of Prince George's County, a county that means so much to us here at Eastern's. We have 3 locations there, and it's been an important part of our history. And we want to help support you, continuing to support those in that community by donating $2,000 so you can continue to do the amazing work of providing home renovations for those who need it most. Keep doing this stuff that you guys are doing. We're happy to be a part of it.
Thank you so much. From the bottom of the Christmas in April, Prince George's County heart, we thank you so much. It's so inspirational. And the fact is, it's going to help a senior, a homeowner living on a fixed income. This means so much. Thank you for your generosity, and we're so thrilled to accept this on behalf of Christmas in April, Prince George's County, and we love Channel 7.
In Upper Marlboro, Caroline Patricius, 7 News.
7 News on Your Side has been spotlighting local people and organizations that are making a difference in our communities. You can see all of our inspiring stories on our website. Just head over to wjla.com/helpinghands.